Hello everyone, welcome back to GES Quick News Broadcast, your go-to source for the latest updates in education across Ghana. Today, we have an important update from the Ghana Education Service, GES, regarding the recruitment of university degree holders and diplomates. The GES has revealed that they are currently seeking financial clearance from the Ministry of Education, MO, to recruit qualified university degree holders and diplomates into the education sector. In a response to a question on social media, Dr. Eric Nkansa, the Director General of the GES, confirmed this update by saying, "We are pressing for financial clearance for university degree holders and diplomates. When we get there, we will follow the same process." According to Dr. Nkansa, the GES is keen to recruit more graduate teachers before the Ministry of Finance's MOF financial clearance expires on December 31, 2024. An official from the GES has also stated that the management is working tirelessly to ensure the recruitment of additional graduate teachers this year within the clearance deadline. The GES aims to employ tertiary graduates who have completed national service and passed the teacher licensure examination. Dr. Nkansa emphasized, "Our financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance aims to ensure that we employ before December 31, 2024. We hope to recruit more graduates within that time frame." Graduates from tertiary institutions who are seeking employment in the education service should pay attention to job announcements by the GES regarding the recruitment criteria. That's all for today's update. For more details and to stay informed about the latest news in education, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on GES Quick News Broadcast. Bye bye.